The idea of an International Day of Yoga was first proposed by the current Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi'ji, during his speech at the United Nations General Assembly, UNGA, on the 27th of September 2014. He stated, "Yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition. It embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature, a holistic approach to health and well-being. It is not about exercise but to discover the sense of oneness with yourself, the world and the nature. By changing our lifestyle and creating consciousness, it can help in well-being. Let us work towards adopting an International Yoga Day."